You know what's funny? There are a lot of people that have approached me and said that we can make a documentary out of what it is that we do here. There have been just so many crazy stories, a lot of very interesting people, and ultimately, you know, I said, it's probably not a good idea. We got to care about the safety of the people here. I've got to worry about production. I need to make sure that things are getting produced, shipped out on time. And ultimately, I had a meeting with some producers. They came to me, and they said something that just made me have an epiphany. I decided, you know what? I think this might just work out. Hey folks, today we're going to give a quick demonstration on usage of the Cheetah Blaster. I have Curly, our warehouse supervisor, with me today, and he's going to show you real quick.
Hey everyone, it's Curly with SD Wheel, and I'm going to show you today how the Cheetah Blaster works. First off, we'll use the Cheetah Blaster in circumstances where the tire was a little too stiff or too narrow and it won't fit onto the wheel. Sometimes the wheel is a little too wide. We'll start off with filling up the tank. Once this gauge gets all the way up, we're going to go ahead and show you a demonstration exactly on how this is going to get onto the tire. Alright, and again, sometimes we'll use this in circumstances.
Alright, you're kind of overcomplicating it, big guy. So basically, I'm not a very patient man. Sometimes I witness certain things that just don't move at the speed that I need them to, and I gotta just take it over myself and get it done. You just take, point, and shoot. So we're basically gonna take the Cheetah Blaster, point it at the wheel, then you just open up this. There's always this sticky.
You know, even though he owns the place, I really do try to keep him off the production floor. Every single time he steps in the joint, which is like once a week at best, he either ruins our productivity or our efficiency, sometimes both. It's really incredibly frustrating.